Hello everyone, Christmas is almost here, so I'm gonna show you my favorite Christmas ice cream, the gingerbread ice cream. This is a very easy recipe I learned in Michelin star restaurant I used to work in, so I hope you're gonna like it, and let's start it. I have everything prepared here, so I start with mixing heavy cream and milk inside the pot. I'm gonna leave the exact amounts in the description down below. Then I put sugar and zest from half orange. And the last things that are coming in are molasses and vanilla. I mix it a little bit and bring it to boil. In the bowl, I will mix egg yolks with spices and salt for a few minutes. And then put my hot cream slowly in. I move it back inside the pot and cook it slowly until I reach 80 degrees Celsius. Pass it through the chinois. Cover it with cling film and leave it inside the fridge for at least few hours to cool down. Then I will mix it a little bit and move it inside the ice cream machine and wait. I put spoon of my gingerbread crumble on the plate. By the way, this crumble you can learn in my next video on Sunday, so stay tuned. 1 quenelle on the top and delicious gingerbread ice cream is done. If you would like to see exact recipe or learn more about fine dining cooking, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.